Hello, welcome to another Dynamic Do-It-Yourself video. And today I am going to go over two of the most popular do-it-yourself laundry detergent recipes that I've had on my channel. And I was asked which one of these do-it-yourself detergents do I prefer. And I have vacillated between two, and I'm going to tell you why. One, this one here is my old, this needs to be replaced, and this particular detergent, I use the Fels Neptha soap, the Fels Neptha soap. I hope I'm saying that right. Anyways, you can see it's very visible, the soap. You can see the distribution of that particular soap because that soap is yellow. All the other ingredients, which would be your borax and your washing soda, is white. So it's good to see when I am doing my laundry, I can see how much of the actual soap. You can see the yellow right there, so you can see it. Okay. Now, I am making, so I like that one because I can actually see the soap. This one is what I just made, and I made this one using my Ivory soap. Okay, and as you can see, I can't tell because everything in here are all white ingredients. The only thing that does have any color is, as you can see, is the OxiClean, because the OxiClean has these little blue little specks in it. Okay, but for the most part everything is white. It's white on white, and it's hard to determine the distribution of your soap. So what I tend to do when I'm using Ivory soap, I mix this a lot. I give myself a number. 100 is a good round number, and I just sort of just keep mixing and mixing and mixing as much as possible. But you know, visually I cannot tell which of this is borax, which is washing soda, and where's the soap, because it all blends in together. But I like using Ivory because Ivory soap is fairly inexpensive to get. So this one, I'm saving a lot of money, and I just have to do my due diligence in making sure that everything is mixed up properly. And I've never had any cleaning issues using Ivory soap. The same goes for the one that I use the Fels Neptha with. As you can see, once again, as I get a little closer here, I see that yellow and I'm like, yes, I know that there is actual soap here. So anyway, I hope that's helpful. And this was pretty much just commentary on which one is my favorite. Did I answer that question? Kind of, but not really. So if I want to say, if I'm really concerned about the distribution of soap, I prefer the Fels Neptha mixture. But if I want to save the money in my bank account, I prefer the Ivory. So anyway, I hope this was illuminating. Until next time.